Redline Emissions Products, designed and built so you can drive cleaner, drive longer. Until now, fleets and operators have had to rely directly on the manufacturer to replace their emissions components. Now, you have a choice. With Redline Emissions Products, you'll gain a competitive advantage in the emissions replacement market. Our DPFs are built to last, saving you money. We offer the longest warranties in the industry. Redline Emissions Products offers OEM replacement DOCs, DPFs, gaskets, V-clamps, charge air coolers, sensors, and weld bungs for light, medium, and heavy-duty applications. Every DOC and DPF comes standard with direct fit gaskets for hassle-free installation. Our OEM replacement DPFs, DOCs, and accessories are designed to meet or exceed the manufacturer's specifications. And Redline Emissions Products covers most major industry brands. We pride ourselves on maintaining the highest standard of quality, service, and customer satisfaction. Advantages of becoming a Redline Emissions Products dealer: national brand with MAP pricing, sales training available, marketing support and dealer welcome package, dealers promoted on web and social media. Become a Redline Emissions Products dealer today. Go to www.rep.direct or call us at 888-295-4670 to find out more. Introducing the industry's only born-on weight for heavy-duty DPFs.